Hello everyone, welcome to my channel that is Study with Prabin sir. Today we will learn some more important questions of chapter percentage. These questions are coming frequently in different state government jobs and central government jobs. So let's get started. Now type 29, question number 38. The salary of a worker is first decreased by 10% and thereafter it was reduced by 20%. What was the change in his salary? Now, listen here. Here, suppose his salary at first was 100. Then the salary of the worker is first decreased by 10%. That means after 10% decrease, so it will be now 90, and once again it is decreased by 20%. That means $90 minus 20% of 90 of 90. So that is equal to 90 minus 20 by 100 into 90. So here this 0 cancels this 0 and this 0 cancels this 0. So that is equal to 90 minus 2 9 are 18. It is 90 minus 18. So that is equal to 72. That means after 20% deduction, the salary is now 72. Originally it was 100, now it is 72. So there is a decrease of 28%. That means here the option A is the right answer. Now we can also solve these questions by using a formula. That formula I have already told. Here I am writing the base formula. The base formula is percentage change is equal to x plus y plus xy by 100. Here x is first increased and y is increased thereafter. Now here, but here in this case, the salary is first decreased. That means I have to use the formula minus x, and again it is also reduced by 20%. That means once again it is decreased, so it will be minus y. Now it is plus xy, because when that means when this minus x and minus y is multiplied, so it will be plus. So that is equal to minus 10 minus 20 plus 10 into 20 by 100. So here this 0 cancels this 0 and this 0 cancels this 0. So that is equal to minus 30 plus 2. So that is equal to minus 28%. Here this minus symbol means it is decrease. That means here option A is the right answer. Now next question, that is type 30, question number 39. Here the salary of a worker is first increased by 10% and thereafter it was reduced by 10%. What was the change in salary? Now suppose its salary at first is 100. It is given that at first it is increased by 10%. That means here the salary when increased by 10% it becomes 110. Now again thereafter it was reduced by 10%. Now it is reduced by 10%. So it is 110 minus 10% of 110. 110. So that is equal to 110 minus 10 by 100 into 110. So here this 0 cancels this 0 and again this 0 cancels this 0. So it is equal to 110 minus 11. So that is equal to 99. That means here it is 99. Now that means earlier it was 100, now it is 99. So that is a decrease of 1%. That means here option D is the right answer. Now one formula is there. Then what is that formula? Now when the numerical value of increased is equal to the numerical value of decreased, then in that case there is a decrease. Then percentage decrease is equal to x square by 100, where x is the common increase or decrease percentage. So that is equal to, here the common increase or decrease percentage is 10. So it is 10 square by 100. So that is equal to 100 by 100. So that is equal to 1. That means that is a decrease of 1%. That means your option D is the right answer. If you have any query or doubt, then write on comment section. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive updates on new videos. Thank you.